Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs without the yolk. First, let's get those egg whites ready. Carefully crack each egg and separate the white from the yolk. You can use a simple egg separator or gently pass the yolk between the two shell halves. Make sure no yolk gets into your whites for the best results. We're aiming for about 2 egg whites per person for a satisfying, protein-rich breakfast. Now that you have your egg whites, it's time to prepare them for cooking. Gently whisk the egg whites in a bowl until they are slightly frothy. You don't need stiff peaks, just a light aeration. Add a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra creamy texture, you can stir in about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream per 2 egg whites. This simple step enhances both flavor and consistency. Cooking egg whites requires a gentle touch to achieve that perfect scramble. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 teaspoon of butter or a light spray of cooking oil. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your whisked egg whites. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push and fold the eggs towards the center, creating soft curds. Your delicious, yolk-free scrambled eggs are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they are warm and fluffy. For a touch of freshness, sprinkle some finely chopped chives or parsley over the top. You can also customize your scramble by folding in cooked vegetables like spinach or bell peppers, or a sprinkle of your favorite low-fat cheese during the last minute of cooking. This easy guide helps you create a healthy and tasty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.